Hi guys, I'm Angie. This is going to be my first YouTube video, and I thought, why not teach you guys something fun that I know how to do, which is catfish people. So, if you want to see how I do that, stay tuned. So starting off, let's promise not to judge my nails. They look like trash, yes. So I take my Fenty primer, and then I also top that with my Versali primer, because if not, I look like melted butter. And yeah, I know my eyebrows messed up. That's what we're going to fix it for. And so now we're just going to rub in that primer, and after that I did my eyebrows off camera because I was just having a little difficulty. It's my first video, I was a little nervous. And then I'm going to move into my Fenty foundation. I personally wear shade 420 in the summer. It looks light, but it does oxidize a little darker, so normally I don't have any problems with that. So here I'm just going to continue to dot my foundation on and blend it out with my Morphe foundation brush. I'm actually not sure exactly which brush it is. It's kind of old, but it is one of my favorites, especially for the summer. It really helps distribute my foundation quite evenly and gives me a nice little dewy glow. Next, I am taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I believe the shade is Warm Honey. Normally I use Fawn, but I couldn't find it at my beauty store this time. But if I don't wear foundation, I tend to do the same routine, but I just use my NARS concealer in the stick in the shade Amande. And so I work in sections when I put on my concealer. Instead of putting it all on, I'll put it on and blend it and just go back and forth and continue to build, so that way I don't put too much or too little. So in the next scenes, it gets a little jumpy. I live in Virginia, and the weather was kind of crappy, and I didn't realize how dark my room had gotten because of the clouds. So here you can just see me finally putting on a baking powder. This is the first time I've ever used it. I believe it's from Revolution, from Ulta and Banana Deep. It was actually pretty cute, and I took a couple photos later that night, and I didn't really have any flashbacks, so that was really good to see, since the other one I had tried from Sephora made me horribly ashy. And I'm just gonna bake on the sides of my nose to make it look a little slimmer.
Alright, so notice anything different? I fucked up. Here we go. So I wiped off my eyeshadow. Jesus, my nails. I wiped off my eyeshadow and I just put eyeliner on because I honestly could not.
I couldn't?
So, now we're here. You know, these aren't even, but I don't care. So here we go.
So again, sorry for jumping around a lot. I'm just gonna take my roller lash from Benefit Cosmetics and give them a quick coat before going and applying my lashes. But first, you know, your girl had to do what she does best, which is lose everything I own. And yeah, but I just really quickly wanted to grab my compact. It's a cute little Hello Kitty compact. I think my mom got it for me when I was in like 5th grade, and I have refused to lose it. So dedication, thank you, Mom. And here I'm putting on Kiss lashes. I can't find the packaging because again, I lose everything. I'm sorry, but if I can find them online, I'll put them in the description below. And here I am taking a lip scrub. It's brown sugar, and I believe I got it from Walmart, but I can't remember 100%. And I just like to go over my lips before I add any type of lip gloss, balm, or lipstick. And then I followed it with lavender chapstick I got off of Sephora. I believe it's Winky Lux. And in the end, you can see me hold up the package. You can't really see it, but I did want to show you. It's super pretty. And then next, I'm following up everything with a contour in the darkest shade. It's a Smashbox palette, and it's kind of old, but I have been using it for a long time, and I love it so much that I've bought it, I think, on 3 separate occasions. But I just go around my temples and my cheekbones to bring back a little bit more dimension into my face so I don't look like a sweet potato. And then next, I'm taking my ABH highlighting palette, and I believe I use Summer, the gold one, whichever one that is, I don't know. And I just do a pre-highlight, and then I stop and set my face with my favorite MAC matte setting spray. MAC matte. Oh my god. Okay, but I set it, and then I go back over on top of that once it dries a little bit with a second layer of highlight. This way it just pops a little more, and during the summer it helps my highlighter. And now I take my ugly finger, since my nail is broken, and I just go and place my highlighter where I like it to look really intense, which is the corner of my eyes, the top of my nose, and down the bridge of my nose. So as you can tell, I do have a slight highlighter problem, but I mean, it's summertime, the more the merrier. And so I just finished going over the spots I think I missed, and I'm gonna add my Colourpop Cosmetics lip gloss on top of it. I forgot the color, but I also will include that in the description below. So honestly, I know we all feel like Roman in the background and we're tired of my BS, so this is my finished look. And I think this is a cute day look. It's not too much, but it is still cute and noticeable. However, you know I am extra, or as you will learn, and so I put on a dark lip. It's Kat Von D Damned. I'm not sure if she still makes the color anymore because I bought like 7 just in case. But yeah, thank you for watching.